All right, time now for Options Insight. Joining us today from the CBOE in Chicago, Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy. All right, Scott, a Merry Christmas to you. A lot of folks banking on a Merry Christmas as well for the market, but we're already up about 27% on the year. Are we still going to get that Santa Claus rally?
You know, I think we got it early this year. I don't mean to give out a bah humbug or anything here, but, you know, I really think we got it early. And I'm not saying that we're going to sell off big from here. Certainly nothing like what we saw last year. However, there are a little, warning signs here that the market's getting a little top heavy. You look at the VIX especially, and the VIX has not going down. You know, typically when you see a rally in the market and kind of the stair step up, you see the VIX go down, and it really hit rock bottom just a few days ago earlier this week. It's actually up a little bit today. So to me, that's a signal that, people are maybe getting a little bit concerned and just trying to buy some cheap protection going into the end of the year.
So what's the way they should play it, Scott? What's the way to play it, Scott? How should they be positioning when it comes to VIX at 12.7 right now?
Sure, you can buy some upside calls, and I wouldn't go out just a couple weeks to the end of the year. I'd be looking more or less like January, maybe even going out a little bit beyond that, and buy some upside calls around 16, 17, 18 area. And that's just a real good way to protect some downside movement in the marketplace, and premium is very, very cheap right now.
All right, Scott, so you have a trade for us, taking a look at CCL, Carnival Cruise. What's going on?
Yeah, it's a massive resistance, 200-day moving average. It's almost right there right now, and that has been the resistance basically for about 2 years here. I'm buying a put spread going out to next week, the 27th, the 46.43 put spread. I can buy that for about 75 cents. Incredibly cheap. The expected move going out to next week is somewhere around $3.50 to $4. So if that move is to the downside, puts us right in that 43 camp, which it has been a range-bound trade. Lots of resistance here. You have the 50-day moving average down below about 42 or 42.5, which should be some support. So I like that 43 level.
All right, good stuff. Scott Bauer of Prosper Trading Academy joining us from the CBOE. Thank you so much. Happy holidays to you. And from New York, this is Bloomberg.